Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Smart English Podcast. I'm Leba, and I'm really happy to have you with us today. If you are learning English and you sometimes feel that you study a lot but still cannot speak English confidently in your daily life, then today's episode is especially for you because we are going to talk about something very simple but extremely powerful: daily English practice.
That's right, Liba. And I think this is one of the most important topics for English learners because many people believe they need to study English for 2 or 3 hours every day to make progress. But the truth is that you do not always need a lot of time. What you really need is regular practice, a simple routine, and the determination to use English a little every single day.
Exactly, Jack. You can practice English while you're having breakfast, walking outside, getting ready for work or school, cooking, cleaning your room, or even before going to bed. You do not need a special classroom or a perfect English speaking partner. You can start with the life you already have and simply add English to your everyday activities.
And in today's episode, we are going to show you exactly how to do that. We will talk about simple ways to practice speaking, listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and everyday sentences without making English feel difficult or boring.
So, if you are ready to make English a part of your daily life and improve your confidence step by step, stay with us until the end because we are going to give you a simple daily practice routine that you can start using today. So, Liba, let's begin with the most important question. Why is daily English practice so important? That is a great question, Jack, and I think many English learners are actually asking themselves the same thing. They may study English on Monday for 2 hours, learn a lot of vocabulary, watch several English videos, and feel very motivated, but then they become busy on Tuesday, they do not practice on Wednesday, and after a few days, they realize that they have forgotten many of the things they learned. So, why does practicing a little every day work better than studying a lot only once in a while?
The biggest reason is consistency. When you practice English every day, your brain gets regular contact with the language, and English slowly becomes something familiar instead of something that you only use when you're studying. For example, if you spend just 15 minutes speaking English every day, you are training your brain to find English words more quickly, build sentences more naturally, and become more comfortable expressing your thoughts.
I really like that idea because sometimes learners know a lot of English but still feel nervous when they have to speak. They might understand vocabulary, grammar rules, and even English videos, but when someone asks them a simple question like, "What did you do today?" they suddenly cannot find the right words.
Exactly. And that usually happens because knowing English and using English are two different skills. You can know hundreds or even thousands of words, but if you rarely use those words in real conversations, it can take a long time to remember them when you need them. Daily practice gives you the opportunity to turn passive knowledge into active English. So instead of thinking, I have to become fluent before I start speaking, learners should think, I will become more fluent because I start speaking every day.
Absolutely, and there is another important benefit. Daily practice builds confidence. When you speak English for a few minutes every day, you begin to realize that making mistakes is not the end of the world. You become less afraid of saying something incorrectly, and little by little, you become more comfortable communicating your ideas. And I think that is the key. We should not wait until our English is perfect. We should practice while our English is still improving.
Exactly. Your goal is not to speak perfect English on day one. Your goal is to speak a little better than you did yesterday.
That is a wonderful way to think about learning English. So now that we understand why daily practice is important, let's talk about something practical. How can someone start practicing English from the moment they wake up in the morning?
Yes. And the good news is that it is much easier than most people think.
So, Jack, you said that practicing English can actually begin from the moment we wake up. And I think that is a very interesting idea because most people have a morning routine anyway. We wake up, get out of bed, brush our teeth, take a shower, make breakfast, check our phones, and get ready for school, work, or whatever we have planned for the day. So, how can we turn these normal activities into English practice?
It is actually very simple, Liba. Instead of doing your morning routine silently, try describing what you are doing in English. You do not need to speak loudly if other people are around. You can simply speak quietly to yourself or think in English. For example, when you wake up, you can say, I just woke up. I need to get out of bed. And I'm still a little tired, but I have a busy day ahead of me. It is actually very simple, Liba. Instead of doing your morning routine silently, try describing what you are doing in English. You do not need to speak loudly if other people are around. You can simply speak quietly to yourself or think in English. For example, when you wake up, you can say, I just woke up. I need to get out of bed. And I'm still a little tired, but I have a busy day ahead of me.
That is a great example because those are not difficult sentences, but they are sentences that you can actually use in real life. Then, when you go to the bathroom, you can continue practicing by saying things like, I'm going to brush my teeth, I need to wash my face, or I'm getting ready for the day. I really like this method because it does not require extra time. You are not sitting at a desk for another 30 minutes. You are simply using English while doing something you already do every morning.
Exactly. And that is what makes this method so powerful. When English becomes connected to your daily activities, you start remembering useful words and phrases more naturally. For example, if you say, I'm running late every morning, and when you do not have enough time, that phrase can become automatic. Later, when you actually need to tell someone that you are late, you do not have to stop and translate it in your mind.
And you can also talk about your plans for the day. For example, you could say, Today, I have to go to work. After work, I'm going to meet a friend. In the evening, I want to watch an English video and practice speaking for 10 minutes.
Yes, and I would recommend doing that every morning, even if you only speak for 2 or 3 minutes. Tell yourself what you are going to do, how you feel, what you need to finish, and what you are looking forward to. You are basically turning your morning routine into a small English conversation with yourself. English.
So, listeners, here is your first simple challenge. Tomorrow morning, do not immediately switch to your native language. Try to describe your morning in English, starting with the moment you wake up and continuing until you leave home or start your work.
And remember, do not worry if your sentences are not perfect. If you say something incorrectly, simply continue speaking and try again later. The goal is to build the habit of using English every day, not to speak perfect English from the beginning.
That is such an important point. Even a few minutes of daily speaking can make a difference when you continue doing it consistently. Exactly. So let's talk about how you can practice English while doing your normal daily activities. Now, Jack, we have talked about practicing English in the morning, but I think many learners might be wondering what they should do after their morning routine is finished. Maybe they go to work, go to school, stay at home, take care of their family, or spend most of their day doing different activities. How can they continue practicing English without stopping everything they are doing?
The easiest way is to connect English with the activities you already do every day. You do not have to create a completely new schedule just for English practice. Instead, look at your normal day and find small moments when you can use English. For example, if you're walking somewhere, you can describe what you see around you. You can say, there are many people on the street, like, the weather is nice today, I'm walking to the market, or I need to buy a few things.
That sounds very simple, but I think it can be extremely useful because you are learning to describe your real environment in English. You are not just memorizing sentences from a textbook, you are creating sentences based on what you are actually seeing and doing.
Exactly. And you can do the same thing when you are shopping. Imagine that you are at a store. You can think in English and say, I'm looking for a new shirt. How much does this cost? Do you have this in another size? Or I think this one is better? These are practical sentences that you may actually need in a real conversation. And if you are cooking, you can practice English there too. You could say, I'm cutting the vegetables, the water is boiling, I need to add some salt, or dinner will be ready soon. Even if these sentences seem very easy, repeating them regularly helps you become faster at forming sentences.
Yes, and that is something I really want English learners to understand. Do not think that simple English is useless. Simple English is the foundation of fluent English. If you can comfortably talk about your food, your family, your work, your plans, your hobbies, your shopping, and your daily activities, you're already building a very strong speaking skill. Another great idea is to use English when you are cleaning or organizing your room. You can say, I need to clean my room. This table is very messy. I'm going to put these books away. Or I should organize my clothes. It might feel strange at first, but after a few days, it becomes normal.
Hi there, you've reached Acme Corp. How may I help you? Sure, your confirmation code is AZ5375Y, and the phone number on file is 877 555 1973.